Outre did something with this one. I mean, they kind of saved it because after the last unit that I reviewed, it was a no for me. But this one, you may be onto something, Outre.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Plus you gon' get right, what the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco. Forget it forever, never been in endeavor, pretending under the pressure. I'm here to bless you, it's clear I don't wanna stress ya. You hate to party, but never forget my birthday.
Hey guys, and welcome back to FBK Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit from the Outre Perfect Hairline collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Fabienne and the color DR4/Sandy Blonde. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So this unit, as it's listed on the stock card, it is 18 inches. As far as the cap construction is concerned, you do get your two combs in the front, your one comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. This one does also come with a pre-attached elastic band, so you definitely do have the security going on. This has 13x6 HD lace parting space. It comes with baby hairs and it is pre-plucked. So let me just come in and show you guys what the hairline is looking like on this one. So I feel like the hairline on this one is looking pretty good. The baby hairs are sparse, like I like them. They are kind of on the longer side, but I didn't feel like going and cut them down, so I just kind of left them as is and did my little swoop. This one is also heat safe up to 400 degrees, so you can go in and add heat if you feel the need to. All I did to kind of get more of this flat vibe going on was I went in with my She's Bomb Collection hair wax stick, just to get those flyaways down and kind of lay it more down flat the way that I want to. The texture on this one is feeling like a medium yaki, which I was kind of surprised about, especially with this color. I thought that they were going to go more for a silky vibe, so I definitely was pleasantly surprised with the fact that this one is definitely leaning more towards yaki than it is silky. One of the things I do like about this unit is even though it's colored, I was not getting any shedding, any tangling. I probably got a few strands here and there, but definitely not anything too crazy. This is definitely giving me super affordable, everyday wear type vibes, especially with the length. The density on this one is very natural. This is all the hair to the front, and it's like 150%. So this is definitely going to be one of those everyday safe type units, at least from what I'm seeing so far. The hair quality itself seems pretty good. The texture feels really nice. Since this is a DR4/Sandy Blonde, you do get that 4 on the top, and then it has that nice transition into the sandy blonde color. And honey, I'm brown, and I feel like this is a nice safe blonde. If you're somebody who's like my skin tone and nervous to try like blonde colors, honey, step out of your comfort zone, because this one is giving what it should be giving. So the cap size on this one is definitely coming off small and medium head friendly. I wouldn't necessarily say that it's big head friendly because the cap didn't have too much stretch to it, honestly. It was a little bit work tugging at it to get it to lay the place that I wanted it to. So yeah, the cap definitely does not have much stress. So I do think if your head is on the larger size, this one is probably going to be one that you want to stray away from, because honey, it's going to be work. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. I want to say my only con is probably just the cap size. I wish it was a little bit bigger. I wish I had a little more stretch, because other than that, I feel like this unit was perfectly executed. But honey, we just need a little bit more of that wiggle room, because the last thing you want is, even with adhering the unit down, to have it all sliding back on you. So that's just definitely something to note. But that was gonna probably be my only con with this unit. My pros are gonna be the hairline was nice, the baby hairs were nice, the luster on this one. The curl pattern is beautiful. The density is perfect for the size. I like the length. I like the look of it. The fact that you do get that 13x6 padding space, so you are able to change it up and have different styles going. I feel like as a whole, this one was absolutely worth it, you guys, and I definitely would recommend picking this one up, because I think this is going to be a cute, good, everyday type of unit. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any units you want to pick up, and any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.